Hello, I'm David from London and Home County Safes, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to change the battery on the Sargent and Greenleaf lock. And this particular one is fitted to one of our London Grade 2 mini digital safes. And before I do, I'll pop a link in the top right hand corner to the video on this safe if you're interested in watching another video. So this electronic keypad from Sargent and Greenleaf is operated with a 9-volt battery, and you can just about see the little door underneath. And I'm just going to pull that out. It just sort of comes out. You pull it towards you slightly and it comes out. And there's your 9-volt battery. And the battery sits in this little plastic carrier. It just comes out really easily. And it's marked there with the positive and negative terminals. And you see that, you know, your new battery is also marked. You've got the large and small terminal. It just goes in like that, and then we just pop it back into the keypad and you push it in. Little beep, the illumination comes on to register the new battery, and that's it. It's changed. Really simple. So this is a safe for a very specific rating. It's a Eurograde 2 safe, which is a rating of £175,000 in your valuables. Maybe this isn't the safe you're looking for, but you are looking for a safe and you just want a really great safe. Well, if you do, please watch the video that I'm linking to in the top right hand corner now, and I'll also put it on the end part of the video as well. And with us, it's free delivery and free installation on bolted safes. Trustpilot rated excellent. I think at the moment we are the top rated safe company on Trustpilot, and we cover London and all of those counties there, quite a big area. Thank you very much for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.